guys, welcome. My name is Ashley and today we're going to be making some jewelry. This is video 2 of a series I'm making to show you some creative ways to make jewelry out of stained glass. I will link some videos going more into detail of the soldering and glass cutting process. Using my inland grinder, I ensure the sponge stays wet and I glide the glass back and forth for a smooth finish on all sides of the glass. After grinding, I always clean the glass with the glass cleaner to ensure the copper foil sticks to the glass. Next up, we wrap the glass with copper foil, and I always use a burnishing tool to burnish the foil onto the glass. I will link all items used in the description box below, and by purchasing through that link, you will help this channel with a modest commission. Alright you guys, so now I'm going to use E6000 glue. I attach a small dash of this glue onto a blank earring bezel. I decided to do Van Gogh theme. Now, the soldering process. I brush glass flux onto the foil and I gradually add lead-free solder to the edges. Using quick strokes with a soldering iron, I smooth out the sides and ensure all the foil is soldered. Using a third hand, I place the open end of the jump ring flush to the exact center area on the glass of the desired design outcome. Adding flux and then a small amount of solder to the meeting joint area. Then I gradually add more as needed to the other side to ensure security and a smooth outcome. Well, there you have it, Van Gogh stained glass earrings. I hope I have inspired you to make some blissful creations as well. And until next time, stay blissful.